this is, so like, is everyone leaving right after?
I hope they're all leaving right after.
Fuck, I hope not. Okay, good. I hope so. I hope next week.
No, I don't think anyone will bring it. We're squad.
So much to play.
The only one that could beat us here. That's for sure. No one could beat us here. Me and Mello and fucking Andre could fucking any bars off.
Andre would have ran.
Andre, heard what happened, Bill? You look downtown,
Watch
bud.
me. I'll get somebody.
Andre getting punked off by Brady downtown, man. Is ya?
Brady.
Yeah, you got a temper on you. I seen you really be getting mad.
Brittany's ex.
Oh, these fucking.
No, that wasn't me. That was Dave. Dave was waiting.
Come on, show me something.
I'm doing one at a time on you.
We should do it all together. It'll be hard.
Fuck them, lock you.
This is better than fucking Canada Day.
Chris right there. We don't know what she's doing.
What? That was weak.
It's something. Where's Tom?
It's way too dark now. But I'm looking at this perked up.
I don't know where to go.
We can go over to the woods. These are probably the best fireworks I've ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Shit, I did not expect that one.
You gonna see that?
That was live. Fuck, I didn't see it.
Perfect time to shoot a nigga when the fireworks are going off. Ain't nobody gonna expect you. I was like, man, that was the fireworks. This nigga just dropped dead with a bullet in him.
Cuz got a piss real bad. What a fag, who said that? Like, bang. Fucking big ass lofty people, I don't like them at all.
Fuck, this is much longer than I thought. 3 minutes already?
They are close too, though. That's cool.
Gee. Shut up, nigga.
Check his temperature. Coming over here, I'm sure.
That nigga's done.
Where's Tom's at? He needs to be close to us, really.
Oh, my fathers.
That's dope. Not nice. Not real nice.
That's the best fires I've ever seen.
That was some real shit. That end was nice. No, I need a pistol. This is my whole move.
So we going in the woods?
Let's go.
This is still going? Shit, I gotta use my left hand now.
No, like they literally do.
Ooh. Oh, fuck. This is going 5 minutes. I said it was after when it started.
Soccer ones last 5 minutes in Canada.
That's the ones I missed like watching.
These are the best fireworks I've ever seen. That's on
No,
some
they
real
turn up
shit.
here with these fireworks.
All right, it's going a bit far now. I just don't want to
You
stop
got
the
a content
recording.
memory in your phone, eh?
A little bit. I gotta be deleting all their messages, right?
Oh, what?
This nigga's surprised every
You're gonna, like,
time.
fall on me. They are, man. You don't got this.
Oh shit.
I know.
Oh.
I know, right? It hit you.
Ah.
Dang.
I can't even follow the action. It's coming fast and furious. Number 7. What the fuck? I better blow up again.
Rob Sloan's. There's like a magical path in the backyard, man. There's like fucking lights and shit.
Like, they go hard with these tours.
Man, we lost Tom and then, man.
I think I probably got jumped.
Oh,
One sec, I'm wandering there by myself. I'll find him in a sec.
all my majors are really. I am about to go find Thomas though.
Ooh.
I'm going with Sloan.
You knew that was coming too. We're gonna fall on somebody now. Tell me. That's what's coming in my life. Yeah. Wow.
Gunshot.
I know. Jarvis would definitely got stabbed by now.
Oh yeah.
That
For
was
sure. They wouldn't even get caught either.
quick. I know. They don't even remember police out here. Like what?
Yeah, they're not worried about none of that.
And we're like,
This video is almost 9 minutes long. Ain't nobody gonna watch it. That gotta be over.